Hello again. Here I am with another quick video just to tell you about a special offer that I have. I would also like to let you know about free resources that you can get on different platforms to be able to listen and to be able to get subtitles, etc. for videos. But first I would like to tell you about this great offer. You can get 6 free lessons. You just click on the link down below and that will take you to get your 6 free lessons. It's called Week 0. You can sign up and you get 6 lessons absolutely free for a beginner. If you're looking for something a little bit more serious, you can also take a look at the website, and there you'll be able to find other courses, and also you can contact me if you're looking for something on a one-to-one basis. So what can we do? What kind of resources do we have? Well, I noticed when I was making a YouTube video yesterday that you can actually get the captions. So if you look under the video, you can see transcript. You click on transcript and it will give you the transcript for the video. You look on the right hand side of the video, you get the captions or closed captions or subtitles, and they will often come up in the language that is actually being spoken, so you will get the subtitles for Portuguese. So this short video just to let you know about the free courses, 6 free courses. So check out the links below and get your free 6 lessons today, and I will see you next time. Please feel free to comment down below and let me know any questions you might have, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching.